Welcome guys, today I am with the Metz TV and I'm gonna show you how you can change sound mode. So first we have to go for the sound settings. For the main settings in the right upper corner, then pick device preferences, and right now you have to scroll down at the bottom to the sound, and here you can pick the sound style. So there's few presets that we can set up, like there's the user, standard, vivid, sports, movie, music and the news. I would like to get this one, and there it is. You can below adjust also the balance, bass and treble. There's also some kind of the equalizer. If you are familiar with these options, you can set it up. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.